I will go up in the spaceship and I will shoot the asteroid down. I'm like, dang, P-Rod, chill out.
I'm just too good at this, man.
All right, guys, we are here in a beautiful day, sunny San Francisco with
Gabe Cruz
at the Fremont Skate Park.
Oh,
just kidding. We're not at the Fremont Skate Park, but open this.
Is this for me?
And see what's inside. So Gabe was telling me that he wants me to surprise him. This is not a surprise. I'm sure he knows exactly what's inside this box.
I have ventured the deep depths of Amazon more than many people on this planet.
The deep depths of Amazon? I'm gonna find something deep in the depths of Amazon.
If you can find something on Amazon relating to skateboarding that I've never seen, I will thoroughly be impressed.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I think this is something
right up my alley. So this is giving real 5 and below vibe. So five and below is the store that we have. And they do have little micro popsicle boards like this that are $5.
Wow.
And there's 2 tiers. One is pretty good and one is really bad. And there's a very high possibility. Yep. So this is, okay, I take back everything I was about to say about that.
This is a professional skateboard. What does it say? Welcome to the team.
It says, welcome to the Rude Boys family, skaterudeboys.com. And they have a wonderful family photo right there in the middle that makes me not want to say anything mean about this skateboard.
Yep, epic. It's awesome.
Whoever decided on putting that right there,
you did a great job.
Great idea.
And
you got me.
I don't see a Sakar Unlimited Incorporated sticker anywhere.
And look at this, skate tool included.
Skate tool included.
I mean, this is, it's looking like I'm gonna break it.
Why do you gotta go there right away?
It's looking like I'm gonna break it, but it's looking like some tricks can be done.
Yep, too legit to quit.
It's not gonna be easy though, but based on what we just filmed, what I just finished, I think, you know, we got some options on this. Oh, that's not good.
Just looks like it might be coming apart just a smidge, you know?
Yeah, we got some separation already.
Just a smidgen on the pigeon. Nice,
exactly.
right, Chloe?
Exactly.
He's about to say, this thing's a piece of excellent work. Too bad I can't skate because I rolled my ankle, otherwise we'd play a game of versus.
Oh yeah.
Skate this versus that. Seems how you triple flip this, but could you triple flip that?
I don't think so.
What's the purpose of the little guy? Is it for little kids or something?
I don't know, let me see that instruction manual. Is this for little kids or something? Skateboard cannot hold weight greater than 121 pounds.
Oh my.
How are you feeling?
I'm 40 pounds heavier than that, so.
This skateboard is not designed for professional use, aggressive use, or performing tricks or stunts. Only ride where it is legal to do so.
Is it legal to skate here?
Yeah, pretty sure. I mean, all kinds of people skate here. Do not put your fingers or any body parts in the gap between the wheels and the board.
Jeez.
That's really good advice. I'm gonna read the exact sentence just the way it is. Always wear protective equipment when using, should be worn at all times.
Huh?
Okay.
Well, here we go.
Pretty sick though. I mean, graphic, 10 out of 10, solid.
Okay.
Shout out rudeboys.com. And yeah, it's about the size of your foot. But it's not meant for tricks, so just ride around.
Okay. This is giving me conflicting vibes.
Yeah?
And I think it's just because that photo they had on there.
You love it, then you don't.
Yeah, don't want to be mean to the kid or his family. But then again, you know, what we're gonna do with it, it's not what it's made for.
That's right.
You can't really complain about it. Whew, that triple flip beat me up, dude.
Gabe just spent an hour doing a triple flip. Boy,
oh my
was it
goodness,
worth it?
It was. I can't believe I did that.
But is it for toddlers or?
I don't believe this is a skateboard for toddlers, although that would be maybe like a logical thing. Okay, I'm gonna go for it. So in an earlier video today, I rolled my ankle. So I'm not gonna, ow, even that hurts. Abort the mission. The thing that I like about these is like, it is in the shape of, and you could do some skateboard tricks on this.
I mean, theoretically, anything you can do on a regular skateboard, you should be able to do on this.
100%.
Hear about
Watch the first step, Gabe.
Hear about the asteroid coming to Earth?
No, I did not hear about the asteroid coming to Earth.
2032.
What?
The highest chances of an asteroid hitting Earth ever.
Really?
Yeah.
Do we need to go in a spaceship and destroy the asteroid?
They are literally starting efforts to go and try to like deter it. I mean, the highest odds are only like 3%.
Okay.
It's city killer.
But there is that 3% chance. Okay, if NASA, if you need astronauts, Gabe and I are in.
No.
We'll go.
Speak for yourself.
We'll go. I forgot. He doesn't even get on a plane.
Heck no.
NASA, if you need astronauts, I'm in. I'm in for this. I will go up in the spaceship and I will shoot the asteroid down.
Oh my God. This is the worst one all day.
Backside slider.
Aaron, this is the worst one all day, dude.
Yeah?
It's not even close.
But think about the kid's family, Gabe.
I love the kids' family. They're great people, and I appreciate what they're doing. But man, I literally don't think I can kickflip this.
Pop shove it?
Yeah.
Kickflip is hard. You're asking a lot there. Just a little shove. Just the teeniest little shove that ever shoved.
Got to tighten the trucks?
Whatever you need, Gabe. That's why I came with a skate tool.
Oh, everything hurts. 100 meters wide, 100 to 300 meter wide estimate.
And it's just flying through space, barreling toward Earth.
Well, it goes in an orbit. So right now it's not in like the orbital zone of Earth, but in 2032 it goes into our zone.
Wow.
Where it just will happen to intersect with our orbits.
Well, let's see, in 2032, I'll be old enough where, yeah, I'll fly up in that spaceship and shoot this sucker down.
But yeah, if it hits us, it'll like level an entire city.
I'm in for this.
It's funny, I feel like 10 years ago I would have been like, damn, and now I'm like, whatever, dude.
Yeah.
What up? Let's go.
Hey, what up?
How you doing? Hey.
Good.
How you doing?
Good to meet you, Aaron.
What are you guys doing?
Skating this?
I'm gonna try to just kickflip it first and see if it doesn't break.
No way!
Yeah!
No way, first try.
Yeah, I could do that.
We should have made a
That's
wager
not bad,
on
that.
that.
Dude, oh my God, dude. Forget to shove it. We're going to war with this thing right now.
Yeah. I love how he's like, I don't have much energy left, and he does one kickflip. He's like,
I
it's
don't.
on.
Those 2 tries were exhausting. All right, you ready?
Yeah. Woo! You got it, Cruz.
Do you think people from far away can tell how small it is?
Yes.
It's already chipping.
Oh no.
Oh.
It's bending in the middle. Can you see it?
Yeah.
It's starting to flex already.
Do a shove it. Just
No.
It's scary.
I'd much rather do the kickflip.
Really?
Yeah. Shove it when it spins like that, anything could happen. Keep it on one axis, you know?
Chloe's in full agreement.
I'm glad you understand me, Chloe. Thank you. Finally, someone understands me. Right here for Chloe.
Oh.
Holy sh! You see that pop, AK?
Yeah. I'm like,
Dang.
dang, P-Rod, chill out.
Shane O'Neill.
Oh.
This board is very close to breaking.
Oh.
Wow, boy.
This is harder than the double flip on the penny board. Not the triple, but the double flip, definitely harder.
Yeah, it looks hard. Oh.
Just keep your feet up. You're catching it too early.
I mean, I'm literally, it's hard to do it because my feet are so close together.
Yeah.
It's hard to get them up.
Your flick is good though.
Yeah, I'm trying. It's just like a super timed maneuver here.
Oh, boy.
I was such a fool for you. Man, I wrapped around her finger.
Oh, yes.
Stop it. Stop that right now.
Let's go! That was bolts, baby!
Wow. Look at how high that is.
Oh!
Look at Steve.
Yeah!
Let me try one more.
We're going to send this to Steve Hates Skateboarding. You know what that is, Gabe?
Oh yeah, all you had to say was Steve.
Well, who is Steve Hates Skateboarding?
You know, you know.
If you know, you know. Leave it in the comments below.
Okay, yeah, that's fine, I'll take it. Dang, what else should I
That
do?
was good.
Varial flip.
3 flip?
Yeah, anything on this thing is sick. Oh yeah, you got that. You got that 100. One
All right.
tented.
Give me a wager for first try 3 flip.
First try, 3 flip, right here. I don't know, you already got me for GOTS.
I got you for GOTS.
You got me for Starbucks already too?
I didn't get you for Starbucks. Let me get a coffee bet on there so everything's just covered.
Starbucks right here. First try, tray flip. Trying to play me like white men can't jump.
Oh, baby, baby, baby. This is easier than a 3 flip on a regular board.
Yeah, I believe it. If you didn't battle a triple flip, I'd say we should do a 720 flip. Yeah.
I'm just too good at this, man. How's it look? It looks all right?
I think it looks straight fire.
Looks crazy.
I know.
Man, these little mini boards are really holding up today. Size doesn't matter, you know? It's just about performance.
Do not 540 that.
I'm trying to scoop it under me. It's just it's so light, it just flies.
Yeah.
Oh! I wanted that so bad.
So close yet so far away.
As a wise man once said, close but no tamale. How's Mario doing? Haven't heard from that guy in years. When I pulled this out of the box, I never thought there was a world in which I 3 flipped this. And here we are.
That's what's great about skateboarding, you know?
That's what's great about skateboarding.
Oh, oh, oh.
Come on now.
Oh.
I got
Dang, you got this dialed. You got this locked in.
it. No.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
No, no.
Uh-oh.
No.
Is she a goner?
No, it's fine. Wow. So good. Size doesn't matter. Just the micro adjustments. Oh. Yes. It fully broke, cracked, damage report. You got it, Gabe.
Every time I go more than like 2 or 3 tries, I get so tired.
Yeah, I bet. You're in that mode. We should make a whole video of just waving to Waymo drivers.
Oh, that was so funny to me.
Ride today. Chloe thought she's dying. No! Okay, there's been a lot of weird things happen today. That is the weirdest one of all.
Oh,
You still got this.
there's
still life in there.
This board's got more life than me.
If you land it right here, I'll start the Elden Ring DLC tonight.
You haven't started it?
No.
Hoser.
I told you, I ruined my life on Final Fantasy VII.
Yeah, I hate when that happens.
Rebirth.
Oh! Yeah.
How did that even happen? How in the world did that happen? Well, I guess they don't make them like they used to. Look at that. How weird is this scenario? The plies are just fully separated. This ply is like bent. The ply on top is broken. And that is kind of a little piece of art, right?
Yeah.
Did you kind of like put this on your wall? All right, well that was beautiful. I think somebody will like to take this skateboard home. All right, well that was super fun. Huge thanks to Gabriel Hergracio Iglesias Cruz for being the absolute best. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard and have fun while doing it. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.